pinatay mo eh.
Yeah.
Approaching Estes Park. Here we are about to get to Estes Park. Okay. My kind of place to visit. There it is. 30 ng speed. Sobra na ako. Mabibilis lang talaga magmaneho yung mga iba. No? Nandun na sila eh. Namumulelot pa si Bautista eh.
Better safe than sorry.
No, better not caught than sorry. Yan, 45.
Parang hindi tama yun, Joy. Nakikiayong ka pa.
God. Yan oh, may ibon no. Sana buti mo.
It's very true.
Diba? Hi David, missing you so much. Wish you were here.
Patay na.
Matay na?